Hello, it's Mujiba here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build your email list, which is attached to List Infinity using a program called List Outbreak. So I'm logged into my List Infinity members area, and I've already set up my autoresponder to capture leads. I've gone through all these setup steps in this, and I'm going to use the lead capture pages to capture the leads. So I'm going to use this one. This one looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to send traffic into this page. Visitors will come into this page and they'll input their email address, and I'll capture the leads into my autoresponder. So I'm going to go into List Outbreak. I've already logged into List Outbreak. See, I'm logged in there, and I'm going to go for the mailer. Click on the mailer, and I'm going to send an email to the list within List Outbreak. So I want these people to go to my capture page, and I need to put a subject. Okay, subject, I'll use this one. Viral list building, viral list building system for 2022. Pays 100% commission. Okay, leave it like that. And then I'm going to say, I'm going to have to just put a message in. Use this system to build your email list and also earn commission payouts doing it. And then I'm going to put a link there. That's if someone's reading the email, then they'll click it there, but they'll actually be shown this page anyway. System uses viral marketing to build your list rapidly. Okay, I'm not going to put too much into the email because they'll get shown the link anyway. And then what I do is I've got 6,978 credits, and I can use 1,500 additional credits. And I'm a free member on this currently, so I can use I can email to the list once every 5 days. So I'm doing this. Let me just check through it. Okay, I've got the subject line. Using 1,500 additional credits, and this is the link I want to send people to. Okay, it's all looking good, so I'm going to send it now. Send mail. Okay, success. Your email has been delivered to 15 downline members and 1,500 random members. Okay, that's done. This email's gone out. Once people click on the email that's gone out to these people, they'll see this page. Let me show you what this page looks like. They'll see this page and read through this capture page, and if they're interested in the contents of this capture page and they want more information, they'll put their email address in there and click on send me the details. Once they do this, and they'll get placed into my email autoresponder, which is attached to List Infinity, and they'll be on my email list, and they'll get the information and also learn about the opportunity, List Infinity opportunity, which is a really good system. I'm using this system to build up my email list and also earn commissions at the same time. You can do the same. I'll leave a link below in the description of this video to List Infinity. This is the list building system that I'm using, lead capture system. It's got a lot of lead capture pages and training within the system. And the program I've just used now is List Outbreak. I've sent an email to this list. I'll leave a link below in the description to List Outbreak as well. You can use this. Okay, this is just a quick video to show you what I'm doing currently using List Infinity and building my list using various tools to drive traffic to these capture pages to build my email list. Okay, thanks for watching the video. I'll leave the links below in the description of the video so you can click through and have a look at these programs.